Hey everyone, Dave here with Headset Advisor. In this video, we're going to review the Poly Blackwire C5220 wired headset. This headset's been out for a little while now, but we have not reviewed this headset, so we are going to bring the noise cancellation test to you. Of course, our signature blender test, so you can see how this microphone performs and see what this headset is all about. So let's get started right now. If you're a technology consultant researching headsets for your customers, then stop watching this video right now and click the link in the video description below to learn about the proven process that hundreds of our technology consultants are following to best help their customers and get paid. The Poly Blackwire 5220 is the mid-grade headset in the Blackwire line from Poly. They have the Blackwire 3220, that's the entry level. You have the Blackwire 5220, and then you have the Blackwire 8225, which is the premium with the active noise cancellation. Now, the design of the Blackwire 5220 is very unique. I like that it has a soft cushion that is not attached to the actual metal headband portion. So it kind of has a spring-loaded leather cushion, which makes this headset feel even more comfortable on the top of your head, as it does not have the weight of the headband resting on top of your head. So it does give it a bit of a different feel when you wear the headset. It also has fully 180-degree turning ear cups, so you can place the headset down on either the ear cushion side or the headset side, depending upon what you prefer. It also has a rotating microphone boom, so you can wear the headset on with the microphone boom on your left side of your face, or you can switch it over very easily to the right side of your face. It does have a nice design. You have a black kind of semi-gloss finish with a dark gunite looking metal headband at the top of the headband, and you have these red accents all throughout the headset, which is kind of becoming an older design for Poly, as they have their newer lines now that do not include the red accents, but still it has a very nice look to it, and I do enjoy the red accents. You also have a kind of texture to the side of the ear cups that gives it a unique design. And you even see the metal casing inside the speaker housing that gives it air for the speaker, has a metal grate to it. So it's just kind of a nice design and overall look and feel to the headset. The headset is very lightweight, so this is going to be a headset that is comfortable for all day use. It's a little more heavy than the 3220 headset, as you do have larger speakers, which is going to give you better audio quality. And one thing I did notice about the cable here is that the cable from the headset to the controller is quite a bit thinner than the cable to the computer. I think that's because you have even more technology inside the controller that's doing more connectivity to the computer versus the cable that is going all the way up to the speakers. But that is one thing I did notice. Now, the controller has a quick disconnect 3.5mm adapter. Now, this is typically designed to connect to your cell phone. So if you wanted to use your headset on your cell phone or maybe a MacBook Pro, you could use this 3.5mm port to do that. That's becoming kind of an older technology. A lot of phones like the iPhone don't even have a 3.5mm port anymore. So now this is really just used as a quick disconnect. So you can leave your headset plugged into the computer and you can step away from the computer. Now, looking at the controller, you have some controls. You have your mute button, you have your decrease and increase volume button, and you also have your call control button. Now, the brand Poly is the largest in the headset space. They are formerly Plantronics brand, and they are integrated with all of the leading UC applications. So if you have Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Ring Central, Google Meet, whatever UC application, likely Poly is going to be integrated with it, so you can answer and end calls with the push of a button. If it is not integrated, if you have a headset that is not integrated with your application, you will not get features like this. So it brings even more value to the headset. And then at the end of the cable, you have your USB connection. You can get it in USB-C or USB-A. And also with the headset, this configured as a 5220 is a dual speaker, but you can also get the 5210, which is only one speaker. And it does include a carrying case. So a lot of us are working remote ever since the pandemic. You might be at home. You could go work from a coffee shop. A headset like the Blackwire 5220 is a great option for someone that is traveling with your headset. So it comes with a neoprene case. It's not just cloth. It has like a neoprene feel. You can feel some kind of foam inside here to give it extra protection. So it's not just a cheesy case. And it also has your red trim on the case itself. So placing the headset in the case is very simple. Then of course you're dealing with the cable, which I always prefer wireless, but you place the cable inside the bag and then go ahead and zip up the bag. And so that way it keeps your headset very well protected from the environment and from getting damaged or the cable getting pulled. Now, one of the big upgrades to this model is the speaker quality. When you listen to music through this headset, it's actually enjoyable. When you listen to a lot of lower end headsets, these speakers are lacking quite a bit. With the Blackwire C5220, you have really good audio quality. Have a listen to this audio clip that is played through this headset so you can get an idea of what it sounds like through the speakers. All right, now when it comes to a professional grade headset, having a good quality microphone is very important. So with this microphone on the Blackwire C5220, you can very easily adjust it to the position that you want it. And it even has a bendable microphone boom so you can get it closer to the corner of your mouth so you can find a good position that sounds good for your microphone. So this is what it's going to sound like in a quiet environment. The headset is connected directly to the computer. So this is what the other end of a phone call is going to sound like on the other end in a quiet environment. Now this is office noises through the camera mic. Switching to the Blackwire headset, this is what it sounds like when you have office noises going on in the background. That's talking, typing, phones ringing, that type of thing. This is dogs barking through the camera mic. Switching to the Blackwire headset, this is what it sounds like on the Poly Blackwire 5220 headset with dogs barking in the background. So if you have noisy dogs barking, this is what it's going to sound like on the other end of a phone call. This is babies crying through the camera mic. Switching to the Blackwire headset, this is what it sounds like on the Poly Blackwire headset with babies crying in the background. All right, and this is the blender test on the camera mic. Switching to the Blackwire headset, this is what it sounds like with a screaming loud blender next to the Blackwire headset. So what did you think of the microphone performance of the Blackwire headset? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. With the Poly Blackwire C5220 headset, you can also download a software called Poly Lens. This is going to keep your headset fully up to date to make sure it's at peak performance. As well, you can adjust settings such as your basic language adjustments. You can also change the way that the headset actually behaves. So this can give you call announcement. You can turn that feature on or off, mute reminders, and much more through this software. And you can even find quick links to the support for the headset. Now with the headset and it being optimized to work on applications like Microsoft Teams, let's do a quick test call. So when you get a phone call, you're going to hear a playing tone through the headset, and you can also just simply click the little phone icon and it's going to automatically answer the call without having to touch anything on the computer. You can also hit the mute icon, which is going to pop up the mute icon on your Microsoft Teams application and give you a red LED light on the headset controller here, letting you know your microphone is actually muted. What's nice is if you're in a meeting and everybody's microphone is muted, which is very common, you can speak, you can just press one button and it will automatically unmute the Microsoft Teams application. And then you can go ahead and speak freely and then press that button again to mute it as well. And then when you're done, you can simply hit the phone icon button one time, and then it will go ahead and cancel off your Microsoft Teams application. So it will end you from the phone call with a simple press of a button. The price point on this headset is $120.95 MSRP, but you typically will find it about 30% less on our website, headsetadvisor.com. We'll have a link in the video description below. Make sure you use coupon code YouTube, all one word. That's gonna get you even more savings to get you the best price possible. And it helps support this YouTube channel. We greatly appreciate it. So for about $80, you get a headset that is great as far as sound quality for the speakers, you get the noise cancellation technology, you get the durability of the brand Poly with a 2-year warranty. The build on this headset, it feels really nice, and the comfort level is really comfortable. That flexible headband at the top just makes it an overall great headset to consider. Plus, you have the additional value of the software that integrates with Microsoft Teams and all the other leading communication platforms. So you have even more value that you can use your controller for. And on top of that, you have that quick disconnect feature, so you don't have to unplug your headset from your computer when you are stepping away from the computer. You can leave your headset on, go grab a cup of coffee, come back and plug in and resume using your headset, which gives it even more functionality. So that's all I got for you on this video, but if you want to see a wireless version of this headset, check out the new Poly Voyager Focus 2 headset. Check out that review video we did right up there, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel and like this video so you don't miss out on future videos just like this one. Thanks a lot for watching this video. We will see you on the next one.